Hi everybody, I believe there's a lot of question being asked about this control switch. So it actually is a touchscreen. This is where we keep the routine. However, you said this all is Chinese. So this is scene. This is setting. So you need to pair to the internet. However, everything right now is actually in Mandarin. Okay, this is theme, so you can change the theme. Alright, so how do you get all these devices going in? Alright, it's from the apps setup and actually go in to it. Alright, so this is a synchronization. Just synchronize with it. So you can actually add the command into the main screen. Therefore, this is the main screen that you see just now. We have this is individual screen. That means that if you have a curtain, you can actually control it. I can open it. I can close it. So this is the switches, and I can also on it. It's almost a simultaneous when you press it, the reaction is like coincide. One more thing about this switch is actually a ZigBee hub by itself. You can pair ZigBee devices into it. Okay, so this is another for the LED strips. You can set your scene. This is working, this is good night, this is reading, and this is enjoying. I'm going to change the dimming, colors on and off. Alright. There's also apps. On the apps function, there's something different. Alright, later I'll go back to the apps.
Hi everybody, welcome to the apps function. As you see earlier, we actually go through the hardware. So right now, let's go through the apps. This is the apps interface. They actually have a voice control system in Mandarin, so don't really have to, you actually can use that. Okay, how do you see all the hardware devices that you see in the interface just now on the control on the panel? These are the ZigBee devices that I have. However, this is a Wi-Fi LED strip, so you can actually add in devices within a system. You can add on to the ZigBee plug. However, I remember I don't see sensor, so sensor status is not shown on there. So you can see there's no sensor, there's water heater. So anything that's light, control switches, plugs, meter, you can actually put it in to the system. Alright, so the scene, or this scene can be shown on there as well. And I said it's a ZigBee hub, so you can go into this hub and add your ZigBee devices. So it's pretty standard. Overall wise, is a very simple control and command. However, this API is not really that great. I tried once or two times, but it doesn't really actually do the execution and creating scenes via voice control. So I think we can leave that out for a while until we have latest information on that. Right, that's all for me. Thanks.